it's something we haven't done for a while, especially being up north as well. So yeah, to see kids come out and come and watch us, and a couple of minutes after training to sign autographs and have some photos means a lot to them, and it means a lot to us, and it's important, like I say, because you don't often get this time. Really good, and it's something that they get to see and see what goes on behind the scenes a little bit.